What's going on, mother truckers? So right behind me is actually the beltway where all the truck drivers are going around twice, and then after that they're going back to Hagerstown Speedway. So mother truckers, here's the big thing. A lot of people are worried about the National Guard.
Secretary Lloyd Austin has approved a request for 700 unarmed National Guard troops to deploy to the nation's capital.
Truck drivers being arrested, DOT would be stopping them at way stations. Well, here's the truth. None of that actually happened. There was law enforcement at every exit. They got police on its way. But besides that, a couple motorcycle police officers. But no, way stations did not close them. So DC is not trying to stop the people's convoy from happening. Interesting. None of that happened. People on bridges celebrating the truck drivers. But besides that, it was extremely peaceful. So, I'm sorry, but if you were hoping for arrests and things like that, that just did not happen today. But mother truckers, comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Do you believe in this? Do you not believe in this? I'd love to hear from you. I'm just here to report the truth of what's going on so that the big media doesn't get it wrong.